So to kind of prime us and get us into the zone here, I want to take a sec to share with you some common issues with data tables. These are some top whoopsie-doos that we see pretty regularly working on a whole bunch of different enterprise products. Number one, defaults don't make sense to the persona who's using the table. An example here is that you've got a software product and basically every single persona uses the same exact view. So there's like columns that are showing, or just the general state isn't necessarily considered for that specific persona involved. Number two, too much information presented by default. So if you're catering to people who aren't that big into data, giving them like an onslaught of kind of everything totally unfiltered, uncurated, it's sort of all the things, and you have a mentality of like more is better. It's not actually true, more is not better. And I know this because I have personally scared data analysts with my designs before. So I know that just because someone's a power user does not mean that they want to see absolutely everything and just have like a wall of data thrown at them. Number three, too many or too few actions are available. So for example, you could have a situation where you have like 10,000 screens and you can execute like 1 or 2 actions on them. So you have a whole bunch of actions sort of like distributed across screens, which is a little bit funky. Or you might have a screen that just has everything in it and it has like just a world of icons coming at you, like, and they seem like they are of equal importance. So that's also a no-go. Finally, the fourth big problem that people often have with tables is that the viewing controls are falling a bit flat. So in a lot of tables, you actually can't change the view. You can't change the density. You can't really do anything with it. And a lot of people need that. It's really hard to design perfectly for every single persona and all the diversity of preferences and work styles and companies and all of that. So when people don't have any control over how the table is viewed, then the experience is a little bit subpar. So we can definitely do better than that and create a nicer data table experience that's more considered and more specialized to the people who are using them.